Hi Raja, how are you? I am fine. How are you working in your new job? I have the pressures of working, but I am very happy to enjoy with my all new friends. And I am thinking that I achieved a good experience. Yes. Hi Rani, how are you? I am sick. I understand to follow it, but why are you not visit to a doctor's? I was thinking that I should be recovered to take medicines from the medicine shops, but I am sick, not relieved. What is your disease? Have been you suffering? I have been suffering to a stomach pains. Okay, but I suggest to you that you should be to visit the doctors and have an appointments. Okay, I am thinking to about it. Thank you for advice to me. Hi Rani, how are you? I am very happy to seeing and meeting you. After a long time, I was very worried. So I invited to you in this restaurant. Please take your seat and what foods like to you. I want to eat the Chinese food. Please order to eat. I want to eat you. So I am very happy to meeting and seeing you after the long times and I want to eating it with you and enjoy to eat. Thank you. Others conversations. Hi Raja, what was your exams? My exams was not so good. Why? I am trying to give the good exams but the questions papers was very tough and the difficult questions uncommon. So I am very worried. Not worried. You should be trying also better for the next time. Yes, you says good advice. Thank you.